Stop throwing money away on complicated marketing tools, because today, I'm going to show you how to build killer sales pages that actually convert using just one platform, System.io. First, log into your System.io account and navigate to the Funnels section, click Create, and name your funnel something descriptive. Like My Amazing Product Sales Page, choose Sell as the funnel goal and hit Create. System.io offers a bunch of pre-designed templates, so browse through and pick one that fits your product or service. Don't worry too much about perfection here. You can customize everything. I am selecting a simple lead generation template to show you today. Now for the fun part, copywriting. Click on the headline and subheadline elements and start crafting compelling copy that speaks directly to your target audience. Highlight the problem your product solves and the amazing benefits they'll receive. Remember to keep it concise and engaging. Next, add bullet points to clearly list the key features and benefits of your product or service. Use strong action verbs and focus on the value you're providing. Think about what your customers really want. Visuals are crucial. Upload an eye-catching image or embed a video that showcases your product in action. A great video can dramatically increase conversions. Time to get paid. Integrate your preferred payment gateway, like Stripe or PayPal, directly into your sales page. System.io makes this super easy with just a few clicks. Customize your order form to collect the necessary information from your customers, and don't forget to create a thank you page that confirms their purchase and provides further instructions. Finally, preview your sales page to make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, hit save and then publish. For even better results, set up automation rules to trigger email sequences after a purchase. This helps nurture your customers and encourages repeat business. Now you have your amazing sales page. Drive traffic to it using social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. And that's it. You've successfully created a high-converting sales page with System.io. Start attracting customers, converting leads, and boosting your sales today. Don't forget to subscribe for more System.io tutorials.